Craving the savory crunch of lumpia without the wrapping and frying? This lumpia in a bowl gives you all the flavor with none of the hassle. It's garlicky, hearty, and filled with crisp vegetables and golden tofu. No wrappers, no deep frying, just comfort in a bowl. So, if you didn't know, lumpia comes from the Chinese cooking and it became popular in the Philippines through trade and cultural exchange. The original lumpia was rolled out in wrappers and deep fried. Fillings often include meat, celery, and bean sprouts, and so much more. Basically, if you had any leftovers, you would want to add it into your lumpia or your egg roll. So, lumpia in a bowl is a modern twist, and it most likely started here in the States. People wanted the flavor of lumpia without the work, so now it's a popular shortcut that keeps the taste but skips the grease. Hope you enjoy!